लास्ट ईयर 2022 अक्टूबर में 3F ऑयल फार्म का जो भूमि पूजन यहाँ पे हुआ था रोइंग में 9 किलो में, तो लोगों का कहना था कि लोग बहुत सबका यही था कि क्या ये जो फैक्ट्री है वो खुलेगा कि नहीं खुलेगा लोअर दिबांग वैली में। सबके मन में ये आशंका थी कि वो खुलेगा कि नहीं खुलेगा। तो अभी जब हम यहाँ पे आए, आपका ग्राउंड में देख रहे हैं जहाँ पे फैक्ट्री बनने वाला है आप लोग का, जहाँ पे भूमि पूजन हुआ था, यहाँ पे थोड़ा कंस्ट्रक्शन जो काम है वो चल रहा है। तो आप यहाँ के डिप्यूटी मैनेजर हैं, तो इस सिलसिले में आप हमें थोड़ा सा बताइए।
After the Bhumi Puja, so we have done the complete groundwork for planning, so that there is no interruption will be coming during the election time. So all this time we had done a complete planning, and we have got the required NOCs to start the groundwork. So the moment we have received the groundwork, the very next day we have planned, because our planning was so perfect that we have immediately started the groundwork, and you can see the soil being filled up, so that which is base requirement for the civil foundations to be done. And we are sitting in the place where the mill is going to be set up, and we have already awarded the contract for the mill establishment, which needs a technical expertise. So for us to complete the mill in totality is December 23, and we are in that direction, and our team is full-fledged engaged, and setup is so good that we have and days to come in the monsoon. So before the monsoon we want to complete the civil foundation, and once civil foundation has been done, it is a pre-engineered building which is going to come up with the state-of-the-art facility with all the equipments. So by December 23 the plant would be ready for operation.
And what about the nursery and the seeds?
Yeah, nursery, you can see that the nursery is on that side. The expansion of nursery is going on, and also the area expansion in terms of cultivation is also going in a very faster pace, and to meet the plant requirement for the crushing, so that is also being planned.
And the seeds, आप लोग seeds जो है वो कहाँ से ले रहे हैं अभी?
Seed mill, this one is on 15 acres, out of which it will come in two phases. The first phase is the 10-10 mill which is coming up, which will come in about 6 to 7 acres, and as the fruit inflow increases, the second phase of the mill will be by enhanced capacity will be done. So the first phase is 10-10 mill we are coming up.
So अभी आपने कहा कि अक्टूबर कमिंग दिसंबर तक आपका जो कंप्लीशन का जो है वो है टारगेट है, बट अभी रेनी सीजन जो है वो स्टार्ट होने को है, सो इतना जल्दी आप लोग क्या कंप्लीट कर पाएंगे ये जो है?
As I told, we have done a ground planning complete. So before this rainy season, our superstructure would be ready. So everything will be under the superstructure. So once the superstructure is ready, irrespective of whether rains or anything, we can start carrying out our work inside the shed. So which is main key requirement. So for the first target is for us to complete the civil foundation. So that which will be done very well before the monsoon.
3F ऑयल पाम का इतना बड़ा एक मिल यहाँ पे स्टैब्लिश होने जा रहा है, तो एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन की भी बात होती है, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम जब हमने यहाँ के सीईओ से बात की थी तो उन्होंने कहा कि एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन के लिए वो जो यहाँ के लोकल्स को भी इन्वॉल्व करेंगे। इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
So definitely the mill which is coming up will create a good amount of employment to the local people, and this requirement will be starting up somewhere by mid of June of people recruitment for the mill requirement. So once that is there, and as I said, we are also planning, once the first phase one is being done, the second phase is also being in the pipeline. So there will be a huge requirement of manpower and human resource.
So employment is only like it's group D only, or group B, group A, group C में भी?
So here the thing is, here the more of mission oriented is there. So like we have technical institutions like ITI here, from where we can take them, give them the training and build up their skills, both in professional and soft skills. So there is a plan which will be rolled out once the mill is put into operations, and people will get a good employment generation. Also, one more thing is in terms of employment, the present contract is also being wherever there is not of high technical involvement. So the work contracts are also being planned to give to the local residents in and around rowing. It is one way of generation of employment, direct and indirect.
आमतौर पर फैक्ट्रीज में क्या होता है कि स्मोक होता है, कई सारे एयर पॉल्यूशन होता है, फिर सॉइल पॉल्यूशन होता है, वाटर पॉल्यूशन होता है. तो आपका जो फैक्ट्री बन रहा है अभी, तो उसमें आप लोग वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कैसा कर रहे हैं?
Yeah, see, this is a product where it is a friendly nature friendly, and there is no waste as it is. So we are not using any chemicals during the process. So it is very nature friendly, and the effluent which comes can be used for our cultivation, and the fiber which is there we will be using for our own boiler, and the solid waste is there can be given for cattle feed and other fish.
So there is no air pollution.
Air pollution, no. It will be within the permissible limits as per the government norms.
और जो पैकेजिंग का काम होगा यहाँ पे होगा या आप लोग फिर वहाँ पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट सिर्फ कर रहे हैं ऑयल?
This is actually a crude palm. It now further goes to the refinery where it is refined then packed. So the present facility what it is being coming up here is only the crude palm oil. We extract the crude.